Happy spring equinox. Now is the season that the light truly conquers the darkness, and the season of spring and growth is here. During the winter solstice, the light's victory round begins. In Finland, they say that now is the season that the sun, the light, the day turns from the season of being the servant to the season of being the master. And truly, at the spring equinox, this becomes fully true. Now, after this, there will be more light than darkness. And in Finland, we have tradition to celebrate usually these sort of season changes few weeks after the solstice or equinox. As typically the weather conditions and all this happens a little bit after. So we celebrate the heart of winter a few weeks after the winter solstice, and we celebrate the heart of spring also a few weeks after. We have the celebrations where we go and free the cattle into the forest or to the fields, and we climb the hills, and we ring these horns to all the directions and sort of free the sounds of the spring. Also, the spring equinox celebrations, a lot of the traditional celebrations that used to happen for this season are now celebrated during the Easter. And about the Eastern traditions, I'm going to make a separate video. The spring equinox is marked a lot with the return of the migration birds. Equal are the day and night, equal are both of my legs, is said that the crane is saying when it flies back from the summer lands. And also there is different types of fortune telling about the sounds of the crows and different birds when they arrive back. And really, birds mark the season of spring, the season of growth, the season of sound. Birds fill the air with their sounds, and they also call out, like we climb up the hill to call out to all the directions, all the cardinal directions, to really open the spring. Similarly do the birds. They are filling our life with sounds. And spring equinox also is marked with a day called Matopentti, or the day of the worms and snakes. Now it is said that the snakes and worms crawl out of their winter hibernation, and they go and heat themselves in the spring sun. And this truly symbols amazingly this spring season. Now the earth is finally melting, the ground is melting, and it's becoming fertile. It's becoming ready for the season of that we will soon sow the seeds into the ground and really start the season of growth. So for that we need the worms. The worms are the ones that make the ground fertile. So it is truly now a time to celebrate the worms. And one very beautiful way of celebrating this is sort of also making our own ground in our own bodies very fertile and awaken us from the winter sleep. We use nettle. Nettle tea is a very beautiful way to celebrate the spring equinox. Nettle is like the snake of the plant kingdom in the Finnish tradition. Nettle is spiky, it has its sort of spiky poison, so to say. It really awakens you. It strengthens your blood, the life force in you. It really awakens the fire of metabolism in you. So what would be more better way than a nettle tea or nettle bath for the spring saunas, spring equinox saunas, or in general? Now is the time for detox and really get everything flowing. During this season, we also celebrate Ristoppipäivä, which means the day of Risto, who is the god of the rivers and rapids. Now really everything starts flowing. The waters, the sort of the flow in our body also starts flowing, and the fire is ignited, and the life force reawakens like the snakes and worms do. So spring is all about the fire of life. So let it burn, and let it also awaken us from the deep winter.